Have you ever wondered why the IELTS exam seems so daunting to many? Well, it doesn't have to be. Welcome to IELTS with AVTAR, the channel that turns the formidable into the achievable. In the journey of IELTS preparation, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey itself. And we are here to make that journey smooth and rewarding. Listen to what some of our successful candidates have to say. "I was struggling with the writing section," says Maria from Italy. But AVTAR's tips and strategies helped me score a band 8. I couldn't be happier. And then there's Raj from India, who shares, "I was initially skeptical about an online course, but now I am glad I took the plunge. AVTAR's methods made the speaking section a breeze. I scored a band 9. There's a common thread in these testimonials. The right guidance can make all the difference. And that's exactly what this channel aims to provide. Here on IELTS with AVTAR, we break down the complexities of the IELTS exam into manageable parts. We equip you with strategies that work, tips that save time, and practice that makes you perfect. Each video is a step towards your IELTS success. Our goal is not just to help you pass the IELTS exam, but to help you excel in it. We believe that with the right approach and consistent effort, anyone can ace the IELTS. In this vast ocean of information, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, but worry not, IELTS with AVTAR is your beacon of light. We filter out the noise and bring you the essence of what truly matters. Remember, every high scorer was once a beginner. Every success story started with a decision to try. So, make that decision today. Subscribe to IELTS with AVTAR and join the community of winners. And if you find our content helpful, do share it with your friends and family. After all, the joy of achieving is even greater when shared. Stay tuned for our next video where we uncover the secrets of cracking the reading section. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in your dreams. Remember, IELTS is not a hurdle, it's a stepping stone. And with IELTS with AVTAR, you are never alone on this journey. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.